Here are the two schools for tonight's show. The number 6 seed, Munro College from St. Elizabeth, up against number 59 seed, Yallahs High from St. Thomas. This is TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Munro College is represented by Daniel Reed, Delano Mullings, Ronaldinho Henry, and team captain Kirkland Webb, while Yallahs High is represented by team captain O'Sheen Williams, Janelle Beckford, Joanna Carr, and Kisan Burgo. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 32nd match in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Yallahs High won. They decided to let Munro College go first. So we begin with Munro College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. Munro, we begin with general knowledge. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of Google's parent company, Alphabet Inc.?
Google.
John Bolt.
John Bolt.
Incorrect. Lawrence Page. General knowledge for Yallahs High. What is the name of Google's CEO?
Michael.
Incorrect. Sundar Pichai or Pichai Sundara Rajan. Local affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Steve Bassiani.
Correct. And local affairs for Yallahs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Francis Drake.
Incorrect. Dale Weber. Bible knowledge for Munro. Which Hebrew prophet had a vision in the year of King Uzziah's death?
Isaiah.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Yallahs. In Joseph's interpretation of Pharaoh's dream, how many years in total did the dream designate?
7 years.
Incorrect. 14 years. Music for Munro. Listen to this clip and identify the artist.
Taylor Swift.
Incorrect. Fergie. And music for Yallahs High. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Taylor Swift.
Incorrect. Kelly Clarkson. Biology for Munro. What is the transfer of pollen from the anther of the stamen to the stigma of the pistil called?
Pollination. Pollination.
Correct. Biology for Yallahs High. What is the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell called if it has a single set of chromosomes, each one not being part of a pair?
Microsome.
Incorrect. Haploid. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Diane Kruger.
Incorrect. Kate Hudson. Theatre and cinema for Yallahs High. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Britney Spears.
Incorrect. Julia Roberts. In Munro English language, spell fracas, which means a brawl or argument.
Fracas.
Correct. Yallahs English language, spell senility, which means old age.
Synility.
That's incorrect. Senility. Munro, a visual sports question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ronaldinho.
Correct. Sports for Yallahs. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. And the question goes to Munro.
Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos.
That is correct. Geography for Munro. What was the named storm beginning with the letter O in the 2018 Atlantic hurricane season?
O'Neill. O'Neill.
O'Neill.
Incorrect. Oscar. Geography, Yallahs. What was the named storm beginning with the letter L in the 2018 Atlantic hurricane season?
2018. Lisa.
Incorrect. Leslie. Chemistry for Munro. What is the relative atomic mass of copper?
Copper. 64.
64.
Correct. Chemistry for Yallahs. How many atoms are in 24 grams of magnesium?
Six.
No, 6.02 times 10 to the 23 magnesium atoms. Mathematics, and that's Sobel. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Munro College on 7 points and Yallahs High on 0 points. It's now time for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category music. The question is, which two artists recorded the album 44876? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.